situation is that?
The wife is, that's the annoyance situation.
That's not nice.
Well, not coming out of here until you put that snowball down, too.
I don't have a snowball.
Yeah.
I should get one though. What?
Did they use any friggin' thinner toilet paper?
Did you poke your finger through?
No. You have to wash because it's not how friggin' small.
I think you should use the toilet paper that has yellow on it.
I think you should shut up.
Did you see the wet yellow one?
I see the yellow one. What did you do to it?
There's a padlock on the door. Should I lock you in? What?
You should just leave it alone.